What is going on, everyone? It's RJ again, back to bring you another Tesla Model 3 video. So it has been officially 10 days since I have picked up my Tesla from the dealership and 10 days of owning it. So today I am about to charge my Tesla in a Supercharger for the first time. Just want to see the experience. Will I make myself look like a fool? Who knows? We're about to find out. But if you are, or if you have a Tesla, or you are planning on getting one and you're curious on how the Superchargers work, stay tuned. We are all about to find out. All right, so I am at the Tesla Supercharger location. There are a few other Teslas here, which is super cool. Everyone's just kind of straight chilling, so let's go ahead and I'm pretty sure it's just as easy as charging, but let's find out. All right, Tesla Supercharger. Heyo. So it looks like it's charging. So let's take a look. Holy mother. This this thing is charging at a rate of 99 kilowatts. It's averaging about 450 miles an hour at a charging rate. Wow. This thing is super cool. And there's more Teslas coming up. There's 4 out of the 8 slots here right now. Another person's pulling up. I know there's normally a video on Tesla Supercharger etiquettes, and from what I've seen, it's a pretty awesome community. People kind of just wait and they know who's been in line. People aren't cutting each other off, cutting people off and being complete savages. So this thing is telling me my time remaining to charge completely is 20 minutes. Charging at about 450 miles per hour, which is super cool. So a little background on how my charging setup, or my charging is set up pretty much on a day-to-day basis. Does that even make sense? How I charge from a day-to-day basis. So in the mornings, I leave to work and my commute is roughly 36 miles one way. So when I go to work, we do have level 2 chargers available there, okay? So those level 2 chargers charge at about 30-ish miles every hour. This guy's cutting close. And the primary charging I do is over there, is at work, actually, believe it or not. At home, I still use the normal 120 volt NEMA chargers. So that charges anywhere at a rate of 2 to about 6 miles every hour, which luckily for me, I'm on the high end of that. I'm at about 6 miles every hour. But that was just temporary. I'm about to have my electrician come in tomorrow and install the wall connector, which I'm super excited about, which is about your level 2 charger. So it'll start charging at about 30 to 40 miles every hour. So until then, this is the first time I'm doing this Supercharger, so I'm very excited. And people just chill here. Technically, I could start playing that beach buggy game and start tearing it up. But yeah, this is super easy. So one of the most important questions that people start to think about when we're out here is, how do you pay for the Supercharger? Because they're not free. Luckily for me, I was hooked up with a good friend from the Krav Maga school that I attend, and he hooked it up. So because he hooked up with a referral, we both got 1,000 miles of free supercharging, which is awesome. So this is Eva. So if you guys have watched Wall-E, I've named my Tesla Eva, which is Eve, but Wall-E couldn't pronounce Eve correctly, so he just kept saying Eva. So this is Eva's first time at a Supercharger. She was a Supercharger virgin, but here she is, supercharging away. But cost. So Superchargers are not free. They range anywhere between 15 cents to 25 cents per minute on the charger. Because I have 1,000 miles of free supercharging, this is all free for me. But the cost, so if you look at this current session, my current session has been $1. And I'm already halfway to where I want to be, where my limit is set. How you get charged is when you set up your Tesla account in the beginning, you guys create a Tesla profile, and in that profile you save a credit card or a debit card. I'm pretty sure it's both, but that's where it gets charged. So every time you go to a supercharging station and charge, it just charges your credit card. That's pretty much how that works. So when I was watching some etiquette videos, if people stay in their car, normally that means you just want to be left alone. But normally there are some people who just kind of want to stand out, talk about their Teslas, which I think is pretty cool. I think it's a pretty cool community. If you ever think about getting one, there are videos out there. I might do more research and release a video of my own on supercharging etiquettes. But there are times, yeah, so when you're inside, it means DND, do not disturb. If it does not mean Dungeons and Dragons. If you are outside, I guess you are fair game. Anyone can approach you, talk shop all day long. But if you want to be left alone, just kind of chill in your car. 2 cars over from me, he's reading a newspaper, so obviously I'm not, he wants to be left the F alone. But yeah, hopefully you guys found this video useful. This was an awesome experience for me. I'm pretty sure it was anticlimactic. You just pretty much pull up to the station, unhinge it, put it in, and it starts charging. If you don't have free supercharging, it starts to bill to your credit card. That is just how that works. If this supercharger was full, that's when people start to wait in line and they kind of just park. And from what I've seen and heard from other videos, people just know. People are very chivalrous here, and people respect each other, and they're not cutting each other off. So if this was full, I would have just parked, looked around for other Teslas to see if they were waiting ahead of me, and just went that way, fell in line, and gone when it was my time. These videos are fun for me. As much of a goofball or as amateur as these videos are, I have a lot of fun. I have a lot of fun filming them. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time.